Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. Today I have brought an interesting session using Python. How can we analyze the PE and PB ratio of a stock or indices? Based on that, we can decide whether to buy or sell any equity or any indices. So basically, there are a couple of parameters which we need to go through first, so that we can understand when to buy or when not to buy any stocks or equity. So those are PE ratio, PB ratio, and ROE. These three factors you need to always remember while investing or trading any stocks or indices. So what is PE ratio? This is nothing but price earning ratio. That is market value per share divided by earnings per share. This is what the ratio is. This relates a company's share price to its earning per share. Got it right? A company's share price to its earning per share. So a high P/E ratio could mean that a company's stock is overvalued, or else the investors are expecting high growth rates in the future. So like if the P ratio is very high, you should be always cautious, because either it has reached its overvalued, so it may sell down, it may be sold, and it may come down, or else it may go up, because the investors may think like this has the quality and it has the capability to grow up. So the next is PB ratio. That is nothing but price to book ratio. This formula is like market price per share by book value per share, and this means it compares a company's market capitalization to its book value. So this is also a key parameter to uh, to understand the stock capability and whether to invest or not. That capability is there. And the next we have is ROE, that is return on equity. This is one of the very important factor for the stocks. This indicates how much profit a company usually generates from shareholders' equity. Today I am going to show you how can we analyze the P and PB ratio using Python program, and to see whether to invest or not. Okay. For this, let us have some modules imported. Those modules are matplotlib, pyplot, import pandas, import pandas as pd, from date time import date, then we have from nsc by import get underscore index underscore pe underscore history. Okay, so now we'll have a user input for what indices he wants to compare. User entry equal to input, enter the index to monitor. Okay, now Nifty. Now what we can say, like PE R equal to get index PE history, symbol equal to user entry, whatever entry is there, whatever manual entry will be there, that one entry, comma, start equal to date. So date will be always in format 2016. We'll see from 2016, say 1, 1, 2, and date. equal to date, say 2020 66. Okay, now what we can do is like print PE-R. This is just for validating whether it is printing the correct one or not. Now we will be converting this to CSV format using pandas. PE-R dot to CSV. We'll be testing with indices dot CSV, comma index equal to false. So we don't want serial number, that is serial number column, so that's the reason we put index is equal to false. Okay, next we have what we are going to do is like we are going to read the file df equal to pd dot read underscore CSV indices dot CSV. So it will open the file, and we'll make sure the column date is actually a date. So that's the reason we'll just have a check date equal to pd dot to date time. Yeah. Date. The shipping caps. Next, once this is done, now what I'm going to do is like I'm going to plot two charts. One is for PE and one will be for PB ratio. df dot plot what kind of chart? Kind equal to I will be plotting line chart. Okay, now x equal to I need by date, comma y equal to for this one we'll go with PE ratio, and we'll have title equal to price earning ratio of plus user entry. So plot dot x label. So we'll be labeling the axis. So x axis will be date and y axis will be P ratio. Plot dot y label. Okay, so it should here, it shouldn't be ratio, it should be that column what it will be PE. So plot y dot label, then plot dot show. For this not needed. So I will have the same line copy pasted again for PB ratio. So I will just change this one with PB ratio, and we'll have price to book ratio of, just change this to B, and the last line I will have plot by show. So let me run this. So it asks for index to monitor. Let me try with Nifty 50 and let us see how it is working for. So it should show me the range from 2016 to, okay, there is some error that is with regarding to date. Let me see what's the error is. Okay, the reason behind that error was because since I have made this index value false, so the date column was missing. Because of that, it was not able to figure out the date. So let me run the program once again. PF. Okay, it should be DF dot plot. It should be, sorry, it should be DF dot plot. This also should be DF dot plot. Let me run once again. Nifty 50. See, I am getting here P ratio, PB ratio, and dividend yield for each state for Nifty 50. If you see here, we are seeing this price earning ratio chart and price to book ratio chart. So this is from 2016 January to 2020 June 6th. So if you see, like, the average P ratio is almost above for 20, that is 22, and if you see, like, it is a very good place where you can buy or sell, but still you have, I mean, still it shows like still you have time to buy, because still it haven't gone far. So this is the top range for P ratio, and here you need to be cautious whether to buy or sell any stock or indices. But this below point is very much uh, good for anyone to invest in this place, in this position. Similar way we will see for PB ratio, that is price to book ratio. This chart is also almost equivalent, means if you see the trend, it's almost, it looks similar to price earning ratio, but the value is less. And yes, this is also right time, because if you see, like, we currently at this time we are way below what the actual average is. So this is also right time, or it's a right time to invest in any stocks. So this is what we can analyze, and we can invest in share markets. This is how we can calculate price earning ratio and price to book ratio using Python. So coming in my new sessions, I'll be having how to get the ROE of a stock or indices using Python program. If you have any doubt, or if you need any help from me, please do write to me in my email. If you have liked my video, please press like button, and for more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.